Yeah, we've got a lot of people who've been waiting a long time to get out of here, but the delays have been building through the day. At the moment, we've got more than 5,700 delays in the United States, 1,300 flight cancellations, and they are extending from Washington, D.C. all the way through New York City. Tuesday evening and day two of severe weather tearing into the I-95 corridor, with D.C. and Virginia getting sheets of rain, heavy flooding in Maryland and New Jersey, hours-long ground delays and ground stops at all three New York area airports, and Philly, Baltimore, and D.C., with delays building nationwide.
Ethiopian 509, give way to Air India to disconnect on spot 26. You may disconnect on spot 27.
Inside United Airlines Newark Ops Center, a tightly choreographed ballet. Newark is United's busiest East Coast hub, 760 departing and arriving flights every day.
As we start to see the weather impact start to build up out here to the west, so some of our west fixes are going to get hit.
Just 6 weeks after Newark melted down due to air traffic control equipment failures and the loss of runway 4 left, now reopened, the airport is running at full throttle. Newark shares this airspace with 3 other airports, major airports, JFK, LaGuardia, Teterboro. There's also 50 smaller airports nearby, and it makes this the most complicated airspace in the country.
Athens inbound 125 will have a medical emergency on board. ETA is 1356.
Getting priority clearance, a United flight from Athens with a 25-year-old in medical distress.
The other aircraft taxiing is going to have to hold, and then the medical emergency is the first aircraft on the ground and to that gate.
Amazingly, United says Newark is now the Big Apple's most on-time airport.
Depending on the airplane type, we have between 30 and about an hour and 10 minutes to turn that plane.
Tonight, Mother Nature seems intent on ruining best-laid plans.
How well can we manage this tonight so tomorrow morning looks like nothing ever happened?
Tom Costello, NBC News, Newark Airport.
And the holiday travel colliding with a mounting public health crisis, closing beaches across the country.